Hi guys, welcome to our new cooking lesson for lazy people. Today I'm going to show you how to make cake salé. Cake salé in French means salted cake. Why salted? Because we add ingredients such as prosciutto, cheese or vegetables to make a cake that we can eat during the meal or also as an appetizer or during aperitif time, because cake salé goes very well with alcohol, as you will see if you try to make it. It's super delicious but so easy to make that I hope you will give it a try. Please let me know if you make it in a comment after this video, and also give me suggestions of cooking you would like me to make. Of course, always for lazy people, simple but delicious cooking. Let's do it! To check out if your cake is cooked, put a toothpick in the cake, and if there is no raw batter on it, then that means the cake is cooked.